ingredients, we have garlic, butter, thyme leaves, and rosemary, and also our ribeye beef. In our preheated pan, ilalagay po natin ang ating tatlong ribeye. Ang ating ribeye, nilagyan ko na po yan ng salt and pepper. Pagkatapos, maglagay po tayo ng butter sa gitna ng ating mga ribeye. Wait for the butter to melt and add the garlic. After putting all the garlic, we're going to add the thyme and rosemary leaves. Hintayin lang po nating mag-melt ang ating butter and occasionally halu-haluin po ang ating mga garlic. Baligtarin ang ating mga beef. Kapag nakikita na po natin na unti-unti na pong lumalabas yung mga dugo sa ating ribeye beef, turn it over para yung kabilang side naman po ang maluto. So for me, ang hint ko po para malamang luto na po ang ating beef at pwede na po nating i-transfer sa ating lagayan ay when the garlic is already cooked, then the beef is already cooked. Ganun lamang po kadali at kabilis lutuin ang ating beef steak. Always remember, once the garlic is cooked, the beef is cooked also. Baligtarin uli ang ating beef dahil may mga dugo pa rin ito sa top. So our steak or our beef is almost cooked. Let's just wait for another minute and transfer it on the plate. Yan, malapit na po maluto ang ating steak. So, ready na po natin ang ating plate na may rice and corn as well or any vegetables that you like. And also our steak topped with garlic. Enjoy cooking and God bless everyone!